What's good with y'all? We checking in for another video, man, another episode. Messing with Dolo. I'm gonna give y'all the update on the rotors and stuff, saying that's what we doing today. Y'all see Rick back over here. Don't panic. YouTube on the screen right now. Make sure to check him out. But yeah, we back on the rotors. So now I'm gonna go get the old rotors. I'm gonna get everything laid out. I'm gonna tell y'all what the problem is and what's going on right now. So y'all just stay tuned, and we're gonna get everything laid out and we're gonna get to it. Okay, so y'all see these bad boys right here. Alright, ordering from Summit. They said they fit a box Chevy. All box Chevys. But I'm gonna teach y'all some stuff. I did my research. Right here, the hub bore is bigger. These are for a C10, like a C10 truck, short bed. So the spindle, the problem is the spindle itself is different. I don't know why they say those will fit a box Chevy, but they won't. Now, by doing my research, like, okay, I went back with a factory rotor car. I'm tired of waiting. We need to get this thing put back together. So the hub diameter right here is actually smaller on the box Chevy rotor rather than that. Now, like Big Meat's got a small 11-inch rotor. These are 12-inch rotors. Big Meat's got an 11-inch rotor, but I did find out the spindle right here is the same. So if you wanted to go and make your small Chevy a big lug pattern in the front, you can just buy the rotor and it'll slide right on. You can get a rotor for a wagon. They all fit. The calipers the same, and the spindle are the same. Only thing different with the rotors is right up in here. This part bigger, but everything else, this part bigger and the total diameter a little bigger. Like I said, it's 12 inch, it's an inch bigger, but they still use the same caliper, they still use the same spindle. So I did find that out. So yeah, it's a little fun fact for y'all, so you'll know, cause I did all the digging. I had to go through all the headaches for y'all, so now y'all know. Rick getting everything ready. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick job, cause we didn't put it all back together. So we just changed the calipers. I got the calipers all painted. We got new brakes, of course. Let me see. Put them back. Calipers all painted. Like I said, quick paint job. I ain't trying to make this stuff perfect, but quick little paint job. So yeah, everything prepped. Getting the bearings. Well, he already got that one greased up. That's the inner. That's your inner bearing right there. That's your inner bearing. Your other one is your outer. Got to have that. Got to have some grease. Then you just pop that back on. So, and I got new lugs and all that. We're doing everything new up here. So y'all see that? Oh yeah, the fender well painted. I need to paint that other one, that other side. The only one I gotta paint. So yeah, he getting all that together, and I'm finna go grab the lugs, and then we're gonna get to it. So y'all see we got the first side on, or should I say Rick got the first side on. Went everything new caliper, rotor, dust cap, brakes, all that good stuff. Record breaking time. We ain't running into no stuff today. So y'all see the fender well painted, all of that. So got it all dressed up. Gonna look nice when the wheel get on. New studs, of course. We got new lugs. Let me see. New lugs. Like I said, the whole 9. Back good. Gotta do this. Damn, we about done on this car. Oh yeah, I read y'all comments on the rear end cover. So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna take that back off, do it again, and see. Well, listen to y'all, it should fit. But appreciate y'all telling me that too, the ones that commented and knew. And only thing we got left on this car is the other side door lock. And that's it, ain't it, Rick? Yeah, that's it. Other side door lock over there, and then it's a wrap. It's a wrap, y'all. Literally, like, I did the interior stuff. I don't know. I mean, it about ready to go back to Joe Buddy Racing and get the motor put in now. Like I said, the chassis pretty much set up. All the shocks on. All new brakes all the way around. All 4 corners. Every component new. Fender wheels been painted. Detail work. Rear end. Spring purchase been fixed. Rear end dressed up. New springs. Completely new AC system. New carpet. Man, everything been done in a matter of 2.5 weeks. So I mean, it's ready to go back to Joe Buddy Racing and get that motor and transmission put in, and hey man, I'm gonna be ready for oil pressure. Then after that, I'm going straight to Jesse. Like I said, we're gonna run 3-inch exhaust, turn down in front of the rear end, running a Super 44 muffler in an X pipe. So yes indeed, it's about go time. I'm probably go ahead and throw my LEDs in the front too. I mean, I know how to. I don't need no power to do that, but I might go ahead and throw the LEDs in the front. And I might go ahead and power them up too, cause I can without the starter and all that. So we might do that and show y'all that. And after that, it's just gonna go on back to Joe Buddy Racing, and then let him put the motor in, and we're gonna roll. So we about to hit this other side, and we're gonna be wrapping it up. So y'all stay tuned. See, everything rolling good, man. That thing looks so good. Looks so shiny, boy. For real. Like, hey, Rick said, make it don't want to put a tie on it.
Sit out here on Jack's name.
I know it. I know. For real, really do, boy. I'm talking about it look good, man. Even with the factory rotor, it still look good. So we got this wrapped up. I'll pop the tie back on. Like I said, we got the new lugs and all that. Everything tight now. We good to go. New studs, everything nice, rim painted up, fender well painted up. Like I said, I paint that one. I probably come out here and paint that one tomorrow just to give myself something to do, cause I literally don't have nothing to do now. So back, y'all see the back all tight. We got, hey, I just noted that them Rotors got the black studs in. We got the regular polish right here, but it's. Yeah, so do. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. So, I mean, it's all good though, y'all. Then, yeah, y'all good. I said, everything tight. I said, the only thing I gotta do is paint that fender well over there, cause I did that one. But I mean, that just give me something to do. But yeah, that's it. Y'all saw the basic process. You got your inner and your outer bearing, wheel bearing. And you got your seal too. You got your seal, you definitely gotta have your packing grease, you gotta grease it up. Brakes, calipers been changed, Oh, we gotta bleed the brake. That's it, cause we done changed everything. The line's been out too back here in the back, cause y'all know I changed the rear end. Well, I didn't change the rear end, but you know, I took it out to get the spring purchase fit. But gotta bleed the brake. That's a must. You go out there and don't bleed the brake, it's gonna get real. That's all I can tell you. So we got to do that. Oh, that ain't really nothing. That ain't really nothing to show. I mean, they explain to y'all, cause it ain't gonna be exciting to people that don't know. You got a bleed screw on the back. You got a bleed screw on the back, but you gotta have somebody you pump the brakes up, pump them. And what you're doing is pushing the air out the lines. Then they open up that screw, you'll hear the air come out the lines and the brake pedal will go to the flow. And you know, you just continue the process until you get a brake pedal. So that's pretty much the bleeding process. But that's it for today, man. I mean, we got some stuff done. We wrapping up Dolo. Like I said, shout out to Rick. Much love. Like I said, man, y'all know I use the same people, everybody family. So that's it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to go subscribe to his YouTube channel. Go check out that Bad Money Carlo. That's it. We out.